The company, as it is today, is fairly agile, and our key differentiator between us and others is that we can take a concept of what somebody's trying to achieve with a space and turn it into a reality.
We have product designers who will take either existing product or create new products that specifically meet customer needs, and you get a combination of the two as well. So you might take an existing product and you might add some functionality, some sort of bespoke element that tailor it to exactly what's needed. And sometimes it's the creative configuration of, say, desks in a room or the way in which the lectern is set within the theatre that makes all the difference.
We have three levels of product. We have standard product, and we try our level best to make sure that a standard product fulfills all the customer's needs. Then we have configured products, so we can do any colour, different shapes, different sizes, all sorts of variations, including various add-on items. And then we have completely bespoke. We're able to configure the items in a way that the customers find works very well for them.
We're still fabricators, that's what we do. Any product coming out of here has gone through that design and fabrication process. We use UK suppliers wherever possible, steel being a massive part of what we do. And we've touched on our capability of bespoke and tweaking products. That process is pretty instant and we're very fluid. We can make changes. There's a very short management path to get a decision made here.
Quality's a given, simple as that. Everybody is responsible for their own quality. We do various checks at various stages to make sure that we're not passing on bad quality product, but ultimately I get very few rejects for quality because everybody here cares. They all know the product inside out, they're proud of their product, and it's easy to manage quality because they actually care about it themselves, simple as that.